Well, to be fair, you've got a lot. You've got downstairs, you've got the gym, like going to the gym. You've got the common room as well. It was good to meet new people. And it's not a hassle getting about the place, like it's just very straightforward. It's very easy to meet new people, which is a good thing because a lot of people moving in a private accommodation fear maybe that they wouldn't get the same bonuses as with, you know, a uni halls. It's just a warm environment, it's a nice building, it's modern. Having a place like this is perfect. It makes you feel more at home, if you know what I mean.